Morning, neighbors. We're getting this tractor ready this morning to move some wood chips, and I just want to tell you a little bit about this tractor. We've had this tractor for 25 years, and we've actually just rebuilt the engine for the second time. We have really used this tractor a whole lot. We used to sawmill with it, and now we just use it mostly here on the farm. And it's a 1973 3444 Backhoe Special. We don't have a backhoe on it anymore, but it's just hard to get by without a loader tractor. So we was down for about 2 years without it, so we really missed it, but we really appreciate it again now. So we'll be using it today. Here's the fuel shut off, and push it off, and make sure it's out of gear. And I'm gonna step up on it to make sure I don't get run over.
And I'll step back so I don't get run over.
And I have put a thermostat on this tractor. They come with glow plugs, but I put a thermostat like other tractors in the manifold, and works a lot better. So I'm heating it up now.
Okay, this is what we're using the loader for. This is my berm I've been working on all spring, and earlier he put the dirt on it for me. We had laid all kind of sticks and logs and things down underneath. We got our elderberry bushes planted on it, and there's several up through there, and there's a ditch behind it. And this berm has it's keeping the water from running on the house. And so now, to keep the weeds down, we're going to cover this with wood chips that we got from the neighbors who were cutting down a tree in their yard. So you can see some of the sticks still sticking up, but they're fixing to get covered up. So we're going to put a big old mountain of wood chips on here today. So I'm going to take you on a little tractor ride. Here we go. Put it in a lower gear, because when it hits that mulch, it's going to bog it down. You don't want to cut off. Tilt the, you don't want you raise the bucket up and see how it goes. If you do it like that, all it's going to do is dig into the ground. So you want it kind of even with the ground, but as we lower it, it can actually be digging into the ground too. So you got to kind of get it in your mind where it's going to be. So we're going to go low. Okay, so you can see the bottom. Okay, that's just going to dig into the ground. We're not after digging into the ground, we're after a scoop. So going to raise the front of it up. And we're going to lower down some more. Up a little bit more. Okay. Maybe I can drive and show you at the same time. We're going to put it on low gear. And we're going to go real slow toward the... Now my husband can go 90 miles an hour and do this and the tractor not shut off, but I can't. Tilt up just a little, and then go all the way down, tilt up. Dig in a little bit. Listen to the tractor. So we'll tilt up, and we'll bring the boom up. We'll go in a little more. Go in a little more. I'll give you a big old scoop. The horse is trying to help. She loves tractors. It's so weird. There we go. Now we got a big old bite. So I tilted it all back and we're up a little bit off the ground. And all we do is go to our destination. Now ladies, the best time to learn to drive a tractor is get the instruction of how to do it and then get by yourself. Now Righteous, this is his senior project. This field he's going to be planting in Sorghum Cane. And he's fixing to disc it up. That's why I got to get my wood chips. They put them in the wrong place, but guess what? I don't care. They gave me wood chips. They can put them on top of the house if they want to. We're just tickled to have them. So he's going to start discing up this field. This is the same field that the chickens had been on and worked on. And look how green and beautiful and lush it is. So he mowed it down yesterday and he's going to start discing it up today. Just turned 16 years old. So here we go. And take your time. There is no rush. I could go a little faster. I still got no gear. Hold on. This is forward and reverse, and this is low, and this is high. See how it gets a little more gas, a little more go? This whole berm over here. This is the end, and I didn't have quite enough dirt, so we're just going to put extra wood chips. Up a little bit further. Oop. Let's go ahead and get low. Oop. Gotta get in between that post and the elderberry. There we go. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. Hold on. And down. Here's that handle I was telling you about. Let's go in reverse. We already got it in low. We're going to go ahead and go in high. Tractor videos. This is what my husband does for a living, work on tractors. So he's the expert. I'm just one of the students. He's got me by enough to where I can drive, piddle around the farm a little bit. But if you have 5 acres like we do, you're probably going to need a tractor. 2 acres and under, you could probably get by without one. But because we do large crops, like this whole field is going to be with sorghum, you're probably going to need a tractor. And he's going to go over the different kind of tractors. This is a loader tractor. This is all this tractor does. This is stuff I did for years with a 5-gallon bucket. But this tractor over here, and he's going to tell you all what kind it is. It's a Ford, I know that. I think it's a 4000 Ford. Don't take my word for it. Anyway, it pulls all kind of equipment, and it needs, where this tractor, the hydraulics are on the front. See all that? That tractor, the hydraulics are on the back to pick up equipment. See, the disc is up off the ground. And those are all the kind of things that you're going to be learning on our channel, is the different types of tractors. Now, if you're looking for new tractors, you're at the wrong place, but there's not one new tractor, never will be. The newest tractor my son got, and he'll have to tell you about that one, but I don't think he gave up like $350 for it. So, these are just the only reason why we got that tractor. That's one of the nicest tractors we got, is because the neighbor caught it on fire and was taking it to his dump, and we rescued it from the dump. And that's the only reason why this tractor's here. But that's one of the best all-around tractors there is. So I just want to encourage you ladies out there that running tractors is fun. You can get a lot of stuff done. But for those that are just starting out homesteading, that don't have tractors, that's fine. There's been a time when every one of our tractors at one time has been broke down because we have old tractors. And so I don't want that to discourage you at all. And just take your time. And there's a lot of people that don't want tractors because of the weight of the tractor on the land, which is a big deal, you know, and you just got to weigh that out. So anyway, I just wanted to encourage you today and let you know that you can do it. Anybody can do it. They're big, dangerous machines, but with safety, and we'll be doing a lot of that with tractors. Anybody can do this. Well, I got my mulch on. It's got to all be spread out, and it's got to rot down before we plant much in it. I think it looks pretty good just like that.
What we're doing this morning, it's been so wet, we're going to try to plant some sorghum here in this field. And it's been so wet, can't work it. So what we're going to do, we're going to run a disc car over it and cut some grooves in it so the sunshine can get down and dry it up a little bit before we actually work it.
Now Petey, he's drove the loader a little bit before, but we had to get the rest of this pile out of the his field where he's going to plant his sorghum. So I had him put it down with a nice low gear, because that's where you learn. You learn at the low gears. Just out in the field by yourself, somebody close by in case you need any help. But I'm not going to go out there and fuss at him for anything. He'll learn by doing. I've already explained it to him. See, there he did it right. You got to get that bucket up just a little bit. The back of the bucket could go down a little bit more. But he's doing good. He got a good bite. Yeah, it takes a little gas, or diesel in this case, to let them learn, but this had to be done anyway. So we were going to use the diesel anyway. Now he's going to take a little longer than his daddy would. His dad could probably move this in about 5 minutes, but he's been doing it all his life. So you just gotta let them, you gotta step back, let them learn, make a few mistakes on their own, and just make sure they're safe. And he's doing a great job, fantastic job. It won't be no time to where he has that pile, and his whole field will be cleared. And look how good it looks since he's been disking it all morning. It's going to be hot for the next few days, and that's just going to kill that grass that's come up there. So here it is. The pile, it's where it's supposed to be. The field's cleaned off. Now he can get back to disking after lunch. And I got this shed here. This is our summer kitchen I'm cleaning out. So I was within hearing distance of him, but I've left him alone. And he did a great job. He's planting his first row of his sorghum. Okay. Folks, one of these days, I'm going to get a new camera. So that little dot you see right there, which is pixels in it that have gone bad, you won't know where the center of the screen is without that little dot. That's going to be exciting. You can walk some miles down some rows.